Hi, this is Kedar here from UiPath. Welcome to Automation Revealed. Today we're coming to you from UiPath's Forward 3 event in Las Vegas. I'm here with Colin from Icon. Colin, welcome. Would you mind introducing yourself to the folks at home?
Yeah, sure. I am Colin Orr. I'm a Senior Director in Icon Clinical Research, and I'm responsible for our RPA Centre of Excellence. Icon is a clinical research organisation, and we work with pharmaceutical companies to bring their drugs, run them through the clinical trial process to bring their drugs to the market. RPA is important for us because the cost of clinical research is becoming unsustainable. It's actually bankrupting countries. So the onus is on us to find efficiencies and optimize the clinical trial process to make sure it's as efficient as we can possibly get it to help lower the cost of getting drugs onto the market.
Excellent. So you're looking at it from a speed to market perspective. Is there any other concern that was at the top of your mind when you went down this route?
Sure, there's a lot of things that drove our decision to adopt RPA. Running our own internal process more efficiently was key. Having consistency, driving compliance, and making sure that we're driving high quality processes and using RPA to drive that consistency and repeatability of our process, and to eliminate so many of those manual processes that are in place at the moment.
Excellent. And when did you start this journey, and what was the first kind of use case that popped to your mind that you thought would be an ideal starting point in your industry?
Yeah, sure. And I think probably same starting point as a lot of other organizations. We looked at our financial organization to see if there was good, suitable process that we can automate in there, recognizing that there's a lot of background, there's a lot of knowledge in that space. So we cut our teeth in finance just to better understand some of the peculiarities of RPA as being slightly different to a normal technology or business project. So we wanted to cut our teeth there, and we did that with a partner, which was a very successful outcome on that.
Excellent. So what's beyond finance? What came next?
So the next complicated thing, we did a number of other automations in our GBS functions, but we then started looking at our clinical processes, which are heavily regulated, and there's all kinds of governance that we need to, and regulation that we need to comply with. So to develop any technology in that space, there's methodologies that are in the clinical space that we need to follow. So we didn't want to go there, we didn't use RPA initially, but we have now gone into that space. We've automated a number of key processes in that space that are required for robust governance on the clinical trial process.
Excellent. So basically what you've done is, while you started in the past with finance and accounting, pretty much where everybody starts in order to get some quick wins really from RPA, you've now really gone in and explored value into your core business application.
Exactly.
Yeah. What are you doing today, and what are your plans for the next 12 to 18 months with how you want to progress on your journey with RPA?
So we have started with a partner, and we do maintain close relationships with partners that we're working with. But we want to maintain a certain level of self-sufficiency. Right. So we've developed our own skills. We've recruited an actual technical development team. I have a team of business analysts that really understand RPA and the implications of that. So we have become self-sufficient. Our plan for the future is to accelerate, to expand our automation program, and to help the business to do that transformation of moving from manual process-based activities to more automation-based activities, and automation by design in our future processes.
So you're really thinking automation first now going forward.
Exactly. And
excellent.
Yes, and it's actually a huge challenge, to be honest. It's trying to bring the knowledge of RPA back into the business, and I think it's a consistent theme that I've seen throughout the day and throughout the conference. A lot of people are working through the challenges of that.
Excellent. So what would you advise to others who are maybe just starting on their journey with RPA and who've maybe just taken on a finance process? What would you tell them?
Yeah, I would certainly say go ahead. There are peculiarities around automation that are different to a typical software implementation or software development lifecycle. So absolutely learn, cut your teeth on a couple of POCs, and then take that experience and move it into a bigger program of work. Don't try to automate everything all at the start.
Excellent. And Colin, one final question. How important is a top-level senior management sponsorship to a program like this to be successful?
It's absolutely critical to have senior level sponsorship. The business is very much focused on doing their business, and you won't get time and engagement from those business teams unless there is senior level sponsorship. Our CEO, all the way down, has committed to RPA as a core strategy for the next for 2020 and beyond. So it's imperative that you have the senior level, C-level support for your automation program.
That is excellent, Colin. Colin, really appreciate your spending time with us and sharing this valuable insight. I hope everyone found this very useful. I sure did. Colin, thank you very much, and good luck. See you soon.
Great, thank you.